How to save a post in Instagram Edits app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Edits app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to save a post, you need to go to the post that you want to save. So here in this home screen, in the bottom left, you can see this Reels icon. Tap on it. It'll take you to the Reels inspirations page. From here, you can scroll through and explore different Reels. And if you find any Reels that you like and you want to save this post for the future, all you need to do is, here in this bottom right, you can see this icon over here. If you tap on it, this Reels has been saved successfully. But you need to keep in mind that it will be saved in your Instagram accounts too. So you can view this in your Instagram app too. Or even in this app, here in the bottom right, you can see this icon. Tap on it. You can see this Reels icon. Tap on it. And there you go. The post you have saved just now has appeared over here. So that's how you can easily save a post in Instagram Edits app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.